that we can do it incredibly slow to work with beginners and produce technique, and we can do it incredibly fast where we work with international players, and I'm sure Darius works with multiple, don't you, Darius? Yeah? Okay, so very slowly, simple practice. Darius is just going to demonstrate how we start slowly to train players and develop footwork, and gradually we can speed that up in a minute. If you just watch Darius's feet. Come back, come back, come back. Okay, right, round of applause to Darius. Very good footwork.
You missed a few.